Right? So we're just going to go over a quick example of how to simplify a radical that looks hard, but it isn't that very difficult. So what we have is w over 5. I'm writing this down off a different paper, plus the third root of 512 w cubed all over 5. And then we have minus 2 over 5 root 50w minus 4 root 2w. Okay, so let's start with the first term. We want to simplify this. So we have a w5 out front, and we have the third root of negative 64. So in this case, you just have to get familiar with numbers, or you can put it into a calculator. But this is just 4 times 4 times 4. So in this case, the third root of this, and that's negative 4 to the power of 3. And then this one, we have the third root of 512 and w cubed. So we'll do this in two separate things. So 512 just happens to be 8 times 8 times 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8 is 512. So that's 8 cubed. We times that by w cubed, and this is the cube root right there. And this is over 5 as well. Now we subtract 2 over 5, and now we have this, the square root of 50, and that's just 25 times 2. And then we also have the w, and then we have minus 4 root 2w. Okay, so we're going to continue to simplify. So now we have this, the cube root of negative 4 to the power of 3 is just negative 4. So we have negative 4, put that in a bracket, times w over 5. Now the cube root of 8 cubed is just 8, so plus 8. And the cube root of w cubed is just w over 5. Now we have minus 2 over 5 times, and then we have this, which is square root of 25 times square root of w 2w minus 4 root 2w. Okay, so we can simplify this, so that's 8w over 5 minus 4w over 5. So I just kind of switch the order of those terms. This is just 5. So the square root of 25 is 5. And we divide that by 5 right here. So that's just minus 2 root 2w minus 4 root 2w. And then we group these, and that's 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 4w over 5 minus, and now that's minus 2 and minus 4 is minus 6 root 2w. And that is how you will simplify something that begins and starts as something kind of obtuse and difficult. It looks complicated, but as you take it step by step, it becomes quite straightforward and simple.